Hello! So we are going to Honolulu, Hawaii. Doon namin isa-celebrate ang 61st birthday ni Nanay Rose. So for this flight, we took our favorite ANA Airlines. So lilipad muna kami papuntang Haneda, Tokyo. And then we'll take another flight going to Honolulu. Hi! Yung bag mo, ibalot mo nitong blanket plastic para hindi madumahan masyado. O, diba? So dito, favorite namin dito sa ANA, super luwag kahit nasa economy ka. So ang hack na ginawa namin dito sa trip namin to Hawaii is we booked economy class from Manila to Haneda. And then yung Haneda to Honolulu, yun yung mas mahabang leg. Doon kami nag-book ng business class. Malaki yung difference eh. Almost $1,300. O, diba? So, sayang yun. So, ilagay natin yung bag dito and let's enjoy the flight. Hello! Hello! We are now in Haneda, waiting for our connecting flight to Hawaii. So, nandito kami sa lounge, ANA lounge. My gosh, nakakabilib dito. Kahit na punong-puno, sobrang daming tao. Ang ganda pati ng service and yung buffet, punong-puno. Sana po! So, mag-e-enjoy kami dito ng light dinner bago kami sumakay sa plane namin papuntang Hawaii. Hi! Saan ka pupunta?
Sa Hawaii.
Oh, may visa ka? Here, ano in-order mo?
International. Pakita muna natin yung
Ayan, may menu. May Japanese. May international. Ito yung pinakagusto ko. Order anytime. After finishing your meal. So, ibig sabihin, pwede mo orderin lahat yan. Diba? Hanggat gusto mo. Ako Japanese ang o-orderin. O, diba? May champagne pa. At ikaw naman, kung order ka na champagne, pipicturean mo.
Para pipicture.
Masabi lang na naka-champagne. Hindi ka fresh? Welcome to Waikiki. It's only 12:40. So magla-lunch muna kami. Iniwan muna namin yung Maleta Jackson namin sa hotel. Maganda vibes dito, no? Para kang nasa Brazil, LA. Malamig kasi, di ba? Malamig dito. Hindi pala malamig. Parang Tagaytay, no? Or Baguio. May Balenciaga. Mamaya ka na tumingin doon sa Balenciaga. Wala ka naman pambayad doon. Ang ganda ng vibes. Ayun yung Dukes, oh. Saan sila nagpunta? Ewan. Where are they? Baka pumasok sila doon. Oy, oh, Hawaiian chocolates. Hawaiian chocolates. Di ba mahilig ka sa chocolates? Ayan o, dapat bumili tayo dyan ng ganyan. Hindi, dapat nawala yung maleta mo Hindi mo ba alam? Oo, nawala yung maleta mo. Ano, eto Dukes. 15-minute wait. So we'll be getting the buffet, $30.29. Magpapagawa ko ng Poke Bowl, Poke Station. Hello. I'll have the Hawaiian style poke. Oh, the spicy. And I'll try some of the salmon too. Oh yes, please. I'll have the avocado and some of the seaweeds. Thank you. Tapos salad. Chilled plates. Mas social ha? Socialistic. Kasi kung o-order ka nung a la carte, parang ganun din naman ang aabutin nung bayarin mo eh. Nagtuos-tuos kami. So parang magganito ka na lang. And ito yung mga main dishes. May chicken teriyaki, may kalbi. Pero ako ang kukunin ko lang ito, North Shore Shrimps. Para high protein diet. Poke. So basically this is parang yung fish on top of rice. Masarap. Very fresh. Yung shrimp to. Surprising, masarap ha, in fairness. Ito puro macaroni kinuha, patikim nga. Hindi mo masusulit ang buffet niya, puro macaroni kinuha mo.
Masarap yung shrimp.
Sarap. Yung shrimp, ang sarap ng shrimp. Okay, so we're going to enjoy our first lunch. Kinikilabutan ako kasi this is the first time talaga. Ito yung one of my favorite stores, Nordstrom Rack, Ross, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, yung mga discount stores. And the last time I went to a store like this was 2019. Ito yung ang hilig kong, mga scented candles, mga gamit pang bahay, pang kitchen. Dito talaga ako namimili. Naghuhukay talaga ako dati dito. Kasi syempre, di ba, nung nagsisimula pa lang ako, yung talagang gusto ko ng Le Creuset, gusto ko ng mga ganitong spoons, pero wala pa akong budget. Talagang I was broke. Walang-wala talaga ako. Dito ako pumupunta. And dati, kasi ngayon, di ba, nakakaluwag-luwag na, si Kumaring LV. Dati, nagsimula ako, my first expensive bag was Tumi. Nandun pa din, nakatago pa din yon. Sa ganito ko binili sa Nordstrom Rack. Kasi tingnan mo, dito Tumi is $122. Itong ganitong bag. Saan ka makakabili ng Tumi na ganyan sa atin? 'Di ba? So, whenever I go to the US, talagang pumupunta ako dito. Dito pa din ako namimili. Shopping at Ross. Dress for less. Magkano yan, Michael? Hoy, mura na yan, 120. Alam mo, tapat mo, linis mo, yung ikaw ang maghanap doon. Leather ba to? Nay leather to. Hindi nga, vegan. Vegan material. Ay, yung tao, paano mo malalaman kung tunay o hindi?
Tingnan mo yung mukha.
Hello! This is our room. Wow! Waikiki Beach. Yay! Walang bathtub, so hindi ka makakapagbabad sa toilet.
Sa beach na nga.
Di ba ha? So we're here at the Paya Fish Market dito sa Waikiki. Dito kami magdi-dinner. And ang sistema dito, pipila ka o order ka dun sa counter tsaka ka uupo. Mukhang masarap dito. Specialty nila, mga seafood, iba't ibang luto ng fish. Oo, order lang tayong tatlo. Share na tayo dito. Saan? Ano yung sinasabi mo?
Sayo.
May sinasabi ka. Ano yon?
Marami talaga ang servings.
Oh, ngayon. So, kuha tayo dito ng tartar sauce for the seafood. Bongacious. And ito may magic sauce. Nakaka-intriga kung ano tong magic sauce na to. Baka naghihimala yung sauce. Smells Cajun. Laki na serving, sulit. I'll taste the sauce. Yung magic sauce. Tingnan natin kung may magic ba talaga dito. Para siyang sweet and sour or sweet chili sauce na may curry powder. Sarap. Ito yung best seller nila ay yung blackened fish with Cajun. Sarap naman, medyo naalapan lang ako, pero nandun yung flavor. Ikaw, maalat, no? Yung mamaya na yan, ito muna. Onion rings, tapos yung tartar sauce. Sarap. Ayan, we're going to enjoy our dinner. Pineapple whip. Baka muna, mahal lang, parang less than $10.
Ay, ang mahal.
Good morning, Waikiki! We are going to have breakfast. So walang breakfast, hindi kami nag-avail ng breakfast dun sa hotel. So we can experience yung mga local. So maglalakad-lakad kami, magkahanap kami ng good breakfast place just around Waikiki. We love the vibes kasi talagang para ka nasa vacation. And yes, the weather is cool.
Ilan po? Takaw mata lang naman itong mga to.
So this is the famous butter rolls. Butter naman.
Literal na butter.
Walang special dun sa bread. Pero yung butter kasi since real butter, kaya sumarap. And apple guava jam. Sarap yung jam. And ito yung mga breads na in-order natin. Ito yung in-order kong malasada. Ang laman daw is passion fruit. Passion fruit. Malasada. Malasada is yung kanilang donut. Wow. Ang daming filling.
Grabe naman.
Oh, spam and egg. Ayan na yung breakfast. And then let's try this. Ito hindi masyado matamis. Tsaka masarap yung feeling niya kasi hindi maasim masyado. It's good. And ito yung famous na kanilang spam and eggs. Okay, so ayan, we're going to enjoy our breakfast. Share lang kami para light lang. Wow, it's still warm. And what makes their donut dough unique? according to this information is they use taro as the base for the dough. So, huhulaan ko medyo mas malambot ito kasi the starch from the root crop helps soften the dough. Smells good. Iba siya. It's not your typical donut. As you can see, yung kanyang dough is hindi siya chewy. It's cakey. And yung labas niya is malutong. Sobrang lutong dahil freshly fried and because of the starch. Yung kanyang glaze is, I would say, wala namang anything special dun sa glaze. But I like it because it's not too sweet. And I would buy this donut again kahit na almost $5 ang isang piraso kasi very natural yung kanyang lasa and texture. Maganda yung packaging. And friendly din ang kanilang staff. But again, it's not your typical donut. Kakaiba siya. Iba yung texture. It's like more of a cake, but with that nice flaky crunch on the outside. It's good. Worth the experience. Hi! I'm at Target. Grocery shopping at Target. Pero nagamot ko na po yung sakit ko na nagpa-panic buying. So now, ito lang ang sa akin.
Hindi sa niyo ba?
Hindi sa akin yan. Sa'yo yan eh.
Sa akin po.
So, meron ako ditong macadamia nuts. Tinikman ko lang, kaya may bukas ng maliit. Isang pirasong fall blend Starbucks. Pumpkin spice tea. Kasi fall is approaching. It's my favorite season. So, para ma-feel ko, dahil wala namang autumn sa Pilipinas, mahilig ako dito sa mga ganito. Antibiotic ointment kasi nahiwa ko yung daliri ko kanina nung may tinitignan ako dito sa supermarket.
Si nanay nadapa.
Nadapa din kanina. And pumpkin spice mix. Nilalagay ko to sa coffee in the morning. Mahilig ako sa pumpkin spice kasi parang it feels like the holiday season is approaching.
Anong pasalubong
Macadamia
mo?
nut.
Anong binibili mo pasalubong?
Wala. Ito na yung pasalubong ko dun sa mga kaibigan ko, all the love from Hawaii. Kasi, inuuna ko na yung sarili ko. So, pag may gusto akong bilhin for myself, nilalagay ko dun sa maleta ko.
Nakasale naman kasi yun.
Hindi. Kasi parang alam naman ng mga kaibigan ko that I always remember them. So, hindi na nila kailangan ng material stuff. Minsan, pinagbe-bake ko na lang sila. And then I send them freshly baked goodies. My favorite. I'll have a plate. Can this be a side? No. Okay. I'll have a rice and this. Yes, please. Iba pa rin talaga kasi dito.
Why iba?
Iba, ayan, pati serving, iba.
It's huge, no?
And I'll have half of the honey walnut shrimp. Orange chicken. And malakas ang feeling kong mas mura dito. Parang mas mura nga dito.
How much did you pay?
21. Or if it's the same, kita mo mas malaki yung portion. Thank you. Yay! My ultimate favorite. What's your drink? Piña colada, Riesling, Mojito, Coke. Odd yung birthday girl, ba't wala kang drink? Nagtitipidity ka. We're at the Cheesecake Factory to celebrate Nanay's birthday. Ilan taon ka na? 61,000. 61,000. Masarap?
Sarap.
Paano naging iba? Lasang sosyal? Kahit hindi ka sosyal? Happy birthday! Breakfast! Good morning! Back at our favorite donut, Donut King, and dito kami mag-breakfast ngayon sa may mini park. The Ube Donuts. Kanina to Ube Donuts? Katikim. This is Ube Donuts. Ube is a big thing here in Hawaii. Masarap pero hindi lasang ube. Wala, parang food color. Kaya ako ito in-order ko cinnamon donut lang. O, ang lambot.
Yung bacon, tikman mo.
Ayaw ko. Parang gusto ko nga nitong musubi eh. Halika, tikman natin itong musubi. Ayan o, iba't ibang klase. Spam tayo. Hello, what's your best seller for the spam? Yeah, I'll try the shrimp avocado spam. How bongga is that? Oh, nakabalot sa... Eto, mainit-init pa. Kasi, I've been reading your recommendations. Nasa 7-Eleven bumili. Kaso lang po, yun dun po kasi malamig. Eto, it feels like it's freshly rolled. Oh, look at that. Diba? Freshly rolled yung musubi. So ito may Japanese rice. And Japanese rice talaga siya. Spam, avocado, and a piece of tempura. Let's try. Masarap. Kasi alam mong fresh.
Saka mainit.
Oo.
Yung parang
And for less than $4. Sulit na sulit. Ang sarap. Yes, kung nagtitipid ka o kahit hindi ka nagtitipid sa risk. So I'm going to enjoy this. Papatikim ko sa kanya. And see you soon.
ano siya.
Hello, Honolulu! Sa loob ata kukuha. Sa loob! Sabi sa'yo sa loob eh, nakakainis to. Nagmumukha tuloy akong first time. Hindi dear, mas mura dito ng $2. Kasi sa Target nasa 12 to eh. Mas mura sila dito ng konti. Ang gusto ko is yung may onion. Nasaan ba yun? Ayan, tong onion and garlic. Ang sarap-sarap nito. Ay, hindi, unsalt. Ito. So, mas mura nga dito kasi 12 sa Target. Well, nasa sa'yo yan ha. Kung if you have the time to go here. Guava butter. Mango butter pala.
Ano pang kailangan mo sa hotel? Oven.
Pambayad. Yung pambayad ng hotel ang kailangan.
Ayun na, gusto daw niya bumili. Yan ang bigas.
Awa ka naman. Lalagyan ng bigas.
Saan mo isasaksak yan?
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Dito ka pa dadayo ng pambili ng...
Walang ganyan doon sa atin.
Ito, baka gusto mong dayuhin din to dito, oh.
Yung kahade.
Walang ganito sa atin.
Kahade, oh.
Wala. So, magluluwaw dinner kami. So, luwaw is like a Hawaiian party dito sa Diamond Head. You need to pre-book in advance. Ipakita natin yung attire mo. Diba? Nag-ready ka talaga. Nag-ready. Ready. Dito mo lang binili yan. Magkano bili mo dyan? 20. Tapos ito sa Walmart mo binili. We'll get our tickets here. Magkano babayad dito? Mahal. May coupon and then kukuha tayo ng foods in different stations. So ito, they have the mahi-mahi. This is mahi-mahi. It looks good. Kukunin na natin lahat ng foods. Yes, hello po. Good evening. Good evening. 5 po. Oh, thank you. Oh, this is poke nachos. And then this one is Kahlua pig slider. Oh, this is taro ban. Taro ban. So parang ube, no? Tuna poke. Sarap. This is mahi-mahi. Sarap yung mahi-mahi, no? The mahi-mahi is good. Perfectly cooked. Let's put the salsa. Sarap. Sarap ng pork. Bongga, may pa-bracelet. Kasama natin si Chef Randy, ang executive chef ng Chart House. Napakasarap nung kinain naming macadamia crusted mahi-mahi. So a must try when here in Honolulu. Tapos chef, may mga hinahandle pa kayong restaurants.
Opo, Champ Sports Bar. Ako rin po yung nag-run sa isang luau, yan sa Aloha Tower. Ako po lang nag-cater.
Opo, chef, sa lahat ng sinerve, pinaka nagustuhan ng nanay ko, actually pati kami yung mahi-mahi. Kasi perfectly cooked, very good.
Opo. Local fish po dito yan.
Salamat, chef.
Thank you po. Nice to meet you po.
Sa uulitin po.
Thank you.
Kaway pa. Kaway pa. Kaway pa. Taas mo yung kamay mo. Ay, bagong wax. Bagong wax. Yung Mr. Shine. Mr. Shine. Floor wax. Wow. Thank you. And dessert. We have, this is baked creme brulee, passion fruit curd, brown butter cookie, and haupia coconut puff pastry. Looks good. Sarap. Sarap ang dessert. Sarap ang dessert. Yung foods, hindi lahat masarap. Doon dessert masarap.
Yeah, Diane. Diane.
Yeah, newly divorced. She's celebrating her divorce. Ayan, so this is the famous Leonard's Bakery. Ayan, so papasok tayo dito sa kitchen ng Leonard's. My gosh, pinayagan tayo. Oh, hello! 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 Kumusta po? Oo, so we know it. Yeah. So this is the famous, is it okay? Ito, may kababayan tayo dito inside the famous Leonard's Bakery, Malasadas or Portuguese fried donuts. So this is very, very famous here in Hawaii. Look how many boxes they have behind me. And diba, nakaka-proud. Kababayan ang nag-feeling. So they put the fillings. Wow! So, ano ang pinaka-best seller na filling?
Custard and guava.
Oh, the guava.
Yeah.
Oh, this is super amazing. Oh, so these are the dough. Oh, so this is where they prepare the donuts. And they have a warmer here. Thank you. Bye! Salamat! So, we're going to grab some coffee. Dito pala masarap, mukhang masarap mag-breakfast, oh. Hi! Dito kami magpi-picnic. Beautiful. Look at that view. So this is overlooking Hawaii. Look. So beautiful. Ayan, so dito tayo
This is your mom's one.
picnic. So this one, let's try.
Yeah, let's try.
Binubuksan. Hindi nga masabi ko alin kasi assorted. Anong flavor yan?
Paano malalaman?
Baka yun yung macadamia hinahanap niya.
Ay, hindi ko alam.
Hindi, may feeling yun eh.
Yung feeling is macadamia flavored.
Ganun ba yun?
Baka ina-expect mo macadamia may nuts. Walang nuts. Binubuksan mo lahat. Tikman mo na lang kung ano yung nasa harap mo. Masarap. I-enjoy. Actually, yung plain lang masarap na. Hindi mo kailangan ng may feeling. Their bread is so good.
So good. That's it. You gotta taste the bread.
Even without the filling. Let's go. We're going to the waterfalls. Oh. Oh, even catching fire.
Yeah, catch the Hunger Games.
Hunger Games. So this is Waimea,
Waimea Valley.
Waimea Valley. A lot of monstera plants. Oh, there's a field trip. Oh, so that's it.
Oh, really?
Oh, is it an orchid family? No. Cannonball. Jurassic Park. Rar. Ano to? Running from the dinosaur dito daw. Malalim Jackson. Diba? It's okay. Hindi naman siya super...
Mas maganda yung falls sa
Mas maganda syempre yung falls sa atin. But of course, well, I've been to many falls, especially in Mindanao, sa Tinago Falls, Maria Cristina Falls, sa Cebu din. Of course, Pagsanhan Falls. Pero it's, you know, botanical garden din to, so magandang experience din. What do you call this place?
This is Kahuku.
Kahuku. So we are in Kahuku
Amazing.
to have lunch. So we're going to have lunch here. We're going to try the famous Giovanni's. Eto may pila, but it's tolerable.
Ay, si Mami ang aking ano. 1, 2, 3. Oh my God.
Thank you. Nice meeting you. You too. Alika, ang haba ng pila dyan. Siyempre, titikman natin yung walang pila. Alam mo naman ako, hindi ako nagpapadala sa popularity. Kailangan matikman. Let our taste buds be the judge. So, etong isang to, walang pila. Ano ba pangalan? Local's Choice. So, kunwari local tayo, aloha, charot. This better be good. Kasi hindi man ako pumila, nakipagsapalaran ako sa Ginit. Tikman din natin. We're gonna taste also here. Oh, lobster dog.
lobster dog?
I'm gonna get one lobster dog.
Okay.
And, okay, I'll try the seafood boil. Ayan, tikman natin yan. Okay. Ayan, umorder na
Finally,
kami sa Giovanni's. Mabilis lang naman ang pila.
because the food is ready.
Mabilis. So dito, mukhang luto na. Doon sa isa kong inorderan, hindi pa luto. Cook to order. So malalaman natin which is better. Pero kasi syempre with the quick turnover sa haba ng pila, acceptable naman na pre-cooked yung pagkain. Local's Choice.
So, hindi ganun kahaba yung pila doon?
Walang pila, pero hanggang ngayon hindi pa ready yung in-order ko.
Are you sure?
This is the seafood boil from the local... Sorry?
Chef Kale.
Oh, that's the name.
Yeah,
Chef Kale. And this is the lobster roll. Let's try the lobster. Lobster dog. Hindi. Parang crab meat. Huwag kang o-order nito. So, titikman ko muna yun dun sa walang pila. Eto may mais. Masarap. Eto naman yung Giovanni's. Balatan natin yung Giovanni's. Shrimps. Sapat lang. Hindi ko naman masabing something na...
Garlic shrimp.
Iba't iba. Okay lang. Parang plain yan na butter. Garlic butter. Patikim nga nung sauce niya. May sauce siya na garlic. Okay lang. To set your expectation. Hindi naman siya masyadong, di ba? Hindi masyadong normal lang. Nahipon na after mong mag-tour o di ba, medyo nagutom ka, o ayan, go. Ganun lang. Yung pineapple, ano ba yan? Magkano tong pineapple na to? 15 to? Ito masarap. So yeah, we're going to enjoy our lunch. Verdict. Okay lang. Okay namang itry yung Giovanni's. Okay namang pumila. For the sake of comparison, sa totoo lang, mas fresh pa yung pagkaluto dun sa walang pila. But of course, you've gotta try it. And then I'm here, I'm going to buy. Subukan natin yung fried cheesecake. This corn.
Yes, I do.
I'll have the Cajun
Cajun?
and the butter garlic.
Which one?
And also one fried cheesecake.
Fried cheesecake.
Yes, please.
So the cheesecake, it comes with ice cream?
Yes,
Cookies
please.
and cream or vanilla ice cream?
Sorry, what are the
Cookies
choices?
and cream or vanilla?
Vanilla.
Vanilla.
This is the deep fried cheesecake. Pag nalaman mo kung magkano yan, baka magbago paningin mo dyan sa corner. Huwag mo nang alamin. Huwag mo nang alamin. Ala Hawaii. Let's try the deep fried cheesecake with ice cream. Oh my God. Sarap. Ang sarap. Kasi deep frying it, nagkaroon ng crust, yung labas, leaving the inside nice, moist, and gooey. Ayan o, and with the ice cream, ay nako. Super good. Ito dapat ang pinipilahan, charot. So dito daw may masarap na turon, Ricky's Turon. And syempre we gotta try it. Magkano kaya ang turon dito? O di ba parang nasa may silang Cavite ka lang, bibili ka ng turon. Fried bananas.
You want a fried banana, darling?
Yes.
Hi, darling. How's it going? How are you?
Turon.
Want turun. They like turun.
Ayun, de. Oh, yung bagong luto ho kami. Sino may gusto? 6 pieces for $5. Saba gamit nyo. May saba kayo dito.
May sabo, oh. So you want the 6 piece? Ice cream banana. Welcome to Hawaii.
Turon. Ayun, the best banana cake bread daw. Meron kayo. Oh, it's okay. Light lang, sarap. Parang yung turon lang sa atin, masarap.
Ito ang saba.
Ito yung saba nyo dito.
Oh. So creamy. Yan ang saba.
Secret. This is the secret bitch. This is Malama. What's this? Also, this is Turtle Bay. So here at Cavella Beach, it's expected that the current is more calm. So ano siya, white sand. White sand siya, pero kasi pag nakapunta ka na ng Boracay, Palawan, Cebu, Amanpulo, medyo basilan, medyo for your eyes only na lang. Ganun lang, ayan lang. Pero yung tubig hindi kasi malinaw talaga. Pacific Ocean kasi yan. So, yeah. Malakas ang ano. I mean, it's okay. Okay, so we're here at Haleiwa. Parang mga food trucks na tabi-tabi dito. Kasi meron daw ditong masarap na shrimp. Hindi ako masyadong satisfied talaga dun sa Giovanni's. Ikaw ba, satisfied? So, subukan natin dito. They even have fish and chips and calamari. So, this is pineapple shrimp.
I got it for you. You got to
Oh, thank you. So, this is the coconut shrimp. Ito muna. Tikman natin tong garlic shrimp. Oh, the lemon pepper. Better, fresher than the one we had at Giovanni's. Even the shrimps. And this is coconut shrimp. Yeah, this is good. And even the calamari looks good.
Korea has the vinegar, you know, the kimchi style.
Ito is okay lang. Okay lang to, no? Pero ito mas fresh and mas maganda luto sa hipon kaysa dun sa isa, no? Ikaw, ano sa tingin? Ako nagustuhan ko to. Kasi dito mas fresh eh. Yun doon kasi para nagpa-cater ka na hindi fresh yung ano. Eh dito fresh. Tsaka maganda yung luto dito. Oo, mukhang sarap ng mushroom burger. Diba? Wala. Mafe-feel mo disappointment. Eto, may mushrooms talaga.
Totoong patatas yan. Army has a vlog, right?
Yes, that's right. That's right.
So sometimes Aaron is a guest in the vlog, and he announced to everyone that she's looking for
The one like you.
Yes.
Yeah.
Aaron is really looking for
For a partner.
A partner.
How old are you, if you don't mind?
Oh, I'm 44.
Oh.
Yeah, 44.
Can you rate her? 1 to 10.
I love this word. Hey, look, beautiful. Everyone's beautiful. Like, it's a soul. It's a soul.
Oh, you're being
right?
so polite.
Look at Avi. He's going, come on, be honest.
Macadamia Farm.
75.
Ang tamis. Garlic. Caramel. Ang tamis. Where are the macadamia trees?
We have some over there, right on the other side of these red umbrellas. The big green ones right over there, those are macadamia nuts. Yeah, definitely check it out.
And do you roast this in-house?
We don't do it here. They'll take it to town and then they'll roast it and sugarcoat it over there and then they'll bring it back.
Maghahanap tayo ng may bunga. Bunga ng mga...
Macadamia trees.
Maghanap ka ng bunga dyan.
Nasaan? Ayun o. Eh kung ikamatay ko pa yung pag-akyat ko.
Saan? Nakita ko eh.
Ito, oh.
Saan? Patingin. Teka, hilaw pa yan.
Bumagsak eh.
Hilaw yan.
Ayun ano. Yung nut na yun.
Tapos hindi mo maano.
Ika-crack mo yan. Ika-crack, may crack. May crack.
Ang tigas.
Pasok mo dyan. Midnight snack at Ramen Nakamura. Dito lang to sa may Waikiki and kami lang ang tao. Bukas pa sila. So normally ganyan, 18 per person required. Pero pinagbigyan kami mag-sharing kasi kami na lang ang customers for the night. Ba ewan. Shoyu ramen. Ano yung ramen mo? Tonkatsu.
Hindi yung spicy.
Naka-fried rice pa si ate. 7-Eleven midnight snack. Oh, musubi. Ay naman. Mahal, tignan mo to. Parang yung sa Japan. Bongga. Parang walang cream pa. So, tignan mo may white rabbit.
Wow.
Pero ako, bibili ko ng ano, musubi. Deluxe Spam Musubi.
So yan yung ni-recommend ng tour guide,
Yeah.
di ba?
Sabi niya the best daw yung musubi dito sa 7-Eleven.
For him.
Yeah, sabi niya. Matitikman ko na. Ay, halika dito. Tignan mo. Special daw to. Sarap ko nga.
Patingin, ano bang laman? Spam, itlog, tsaka kanin.
Eh, sinisinok ako ah. Bili akong tubig. Sinok ako. Nahirinan ako.
Ay, hindi kuha mo ng tubig.
Hindi na magdi-dessert na lang. May in-order ako dito, ube cheese.
Parang tart.
Ito
Ito, ano to? Bayad na yan.
Lasang ube talaga. Hindi flavorful.
Sarap. Lasang ube talaga. Kasi ano, gusto ko magpamasa.
Bukas kaya? Bukas.
Hindi naman bukas yung pinag-uusapan kung kaya natin yung presyo ng masahe. $100 full body. O, sarado na pala yun. Sayang, papamasahe pa naman ako 2 hours. Kaso sarado.
10,000 piso.
Sayang. Hindi ka na. Uwi na tayo.